Chapter 1. Computer Hardware and Software. A computer system is an electronic device. It is made up of many parts. Each part of the computer performs a different task. The computer system is made up of two parts, hardware and software. A computer works on the IPO, input process output, cycle. It receives input from the user through input devices, processes it using the CPU and gives back the output using output devices. Let us learn about the computer parts, computer hardware. The parts of a computer that we can see or touch are called hardware. All input, output, processing and storage devices form the hardware components of a computer system. There are 5 groups of hardware components. Hardware. Input devices. Output devices. Processing device. Storage devices. Hybrid devices. Input devices. Input devices are those devices that allow us to enter data and instructions into a computer. Keyboard, joystick, scanner, mouse, microphone, web camera and light pen are some examples of input devices. Keyboard, a rectangular board-type structure attached with computer is called keyboard. It is used to enter data into a computer with the help of keys. We give input to the computer by typing numbers, letters and special characters. Mouse. A mouse is used to send instructions to the computer with the click of a button. It is used to draw pictures and select the objects. A mouse is also called a pointing device. Scanner. A scanner is used to read images, text or drawing and send them as input into the computer. FACT-GPT. A fingerprint scanner is a device used to identify a person by scanning the fingerprints. Joystick. A joystick is used to play different games on a computer. It is used to control the different movements in a game. Web camera. A web camera is used to take pictures in digital form and store them in the computer. It is also known as webcam. FACT-GPT. Laptops have inbuilt cameras whereas webcams are used in desktop systems. Light pen. A light pen is similar to a pen. It is also a pointing device. It is used to point to objects or draw pictures on a screen. Test your knowledge. Draw and color your favorite input device on chart paper. Also write its use. Output devices. The computer components that help us to get the final result of our input are called output devices. Monitor, printer, headphones, output devices, speakers, plotter, projector and smart board are the examples of output devices. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It is used to display text, pictures and videos. Whatever we type with the help of keyboard is displayed on the monitor. It is also known as Visual Display Unit. FACT-GPT. The text and videos that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. The text and graphics that we get on a paper is called hard copy. Printer. A printer is used to print the work done on the computer. We get the final result of text and designs in the form of print. We can print in black and white as well as color using a printer. Speakers. Speakers are used to hear music, voice and sound on a computer. Plotter. A plotter is used to print big sketches, diagrams and maps on long sheets of paper. They are mainly used by designers, scientists, engineers and architects. Projector. A projector projects or displays data from a computer on a large screen, surface or wall. Processing device. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. This processing device is responsible for processing data given by the user. This data works on input and sends the result to the output devices. The processor is the chip which is placed inside the CPU box. A CPU is made up of three main parts: ALU, CU, and MU. Arithmetic and logical unit. ALU does all the calculations in a computer. Control unit. CU controls all the parts of the CPU. It gets data from the MU and sends it to the ALU. Memory unit. CPU stores all the data that need to be processed in the MU. FACT-GPT. Computers can do billions of calculations per second. Storage devices. The devices that are used to store data are called storage devices or storage media. We need to save our data so that we can get it back whenever we need. Hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive are the various types of storage devices. Hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device of a computer. It stores a large amount of data. All the work done on a computer can be stored on the hard disk. CD-DVD. CD stands for compact disc whereas DVD stands digital versatile disc. They are circular in shape and can store lots of data. Pen drive. A pen drive is a storage device which is small in size. It can be carried easily in a pocket. It can be used to store and transfer data from one computer to another. Hybrid devices. A hybrid device is a gadget that can do more than one thing. It can act as both an input and an output device. Smartphone. A smartphone is a gadget that lets you do many things. You can type messages, take pictures, and use apps. Input. It also shows you videos, plays music, and makes calls. Output. Headphones. Headphones are used to listen to music or sounds. Output, without disturbing others. It can also have a built-in microphone to talk or record your voice. Input. Smartwatch. A smartwatch can show you the time, track your fitness, and display notifications from your phone. Output. It can also let you respond to messages or make calls using its touch screen. Input. Laptop. A laptop is a computer that you can use to type documents, browse the internet, and play games. Input. It also displays information on its screen, plays sound through its speakers. Output. Smartboard. A smartboard is a large interactive screen used in classrooms. You can write on it and interact with it using touch or special pens. Input. It can also show videos, presentations, and diagrams. Output. Computer software. A computer cannot work by itself. It needs instructions to do anything. A set of instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task is called a computer program or software. Software is created through the process of programming. Software works as a manager between computer hardware and humans. Without software, the hardware would not function. FACT-GPT. The specialists who write computer programs are called programmers. There are two types of software. System software. System software is an inbuilt software that controls and manages all the activities of a computer. It also runs application software. Operating system, OS, is an example of the system software. OS is the most important program that runs various other applications on the computer. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system used by people across the world. Some of the popular operating systems are Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac OS. Application software. The software that allows user to perform some specific program is used to draw and paint pictures. To play a song, we need to run the Windows Media Player, which is specifically designed to play movies and songs. Recapitulate. The computer system is made up of two types of parts, hardware and software. There are 5 groups of hardware components: input devices, output devices, processing device, storage devices, and hybrid devices. The device that works on the data from input devices is called a processing device. CPU is the brain of a computer which performs all the functions. A CPU is made up of 3 main parts: ALU, CU, and MU. Storage devices store data and work so as to view it later whenever we need. Without software, the hardware would not be functional. There are 2 types of software: application software and system software. Gloss GPT. Hardware, the parts of a computer that we can see or touch. Software, a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task.